Today the Dáil I raised with the Minister for Finance, Paschal Donohoe, the failure of the government to introduce a nationwide smoky coal ban, despite many promises by three previous ministers in two Fine Gael-led governments. Ministers Hogan, Kelly and Naughton all promised to extend the smoky coal ban and make it nationwide. You will recall that back in 1990, that's nearly over 30 years ago, Mary Harney introduced the first smoky coal ban in Dublin and Dublin region, and it was subsequently extended to Cork and elsewhere, with dramatic and important health benefits in improving air quality for people. But in certain areas, in Wexford and other parts of the country, it has never been implemented. And I made a point to the Minister that it's one thing to make announcements and to make promises. It's a different thing to actually act and take decisions. Mary Harney took a decision back in 1990. She took a concrete action as opposed to a promise never delivered. Unfortunately, this government is strong in announcements, but very poor on delivery. We saw yesterday where the Taoiseach did a U-turn in terms of fossil fuel exploration, which we welcome, that U-turn, even though he'd been against legislation to have the same effect up to quite recently. So it's one thing to announce, it's another thing to do. And I'm calling on the Minister and the government to make sure that this smoky coal ban is introduced nationwide, because it will help the quality of the environment as well as the health of our citizens.